She is a clever lady She is a clever lady នាងជាស្រីឆ្លាតម្នាក់ They drink coffee They drink coffee ពួកគេផឹកកាហ្វេ We drink beer We drink beer ពួកយើងផឹកស្រាបៀរ Please remain seated Please remain seated សូមរក្សានៅកន្លែងអង្គុយ He is a handsome man He is a handsome man គាត់ជាបុរសសង្ហាម្នាក់ We rent an apartment We rent an apartment ពួកយើងជួលផ្ទះល្វែងមួយ Don't sneak up on me Don't sneak up on me កុំលួចលាក់បានន័យថាធ្វើអ្វីដែលលាក់បាំងមិនឲ្យយើងដឹងណា Sneak He good at play sports He good at play sports គាត់ពូកែខាងលេងកីឡា I like to eat pizza I like to eat pizza ខ្ញុំចូលចិត្តញ៉ាំ pizza Please stand near me Please stand near me សូមឈរនៅក្បែរខ្ញុំ Beware of bad advice Beware of bad advice ប្រយ័ត្នដំបូន្មានមិនល្អ I prefer orange soda I prefer orange soda ខ្ញុំចូលចិត្តទឹកក្រូចសូដា You can depend on me You can depend on me អ្នកអាចពឹងពាក់ខ្ញុំបានណាពឹងលើយើងបានណា I am extremely tired ពាក្យ tired វាហត់ឲ្យ extremely បើន័យថាខ្លាំង I am extremely tired ខ្ញុំហត់នឿយខ្លាំងណាស់ She works at hospital She works at hospital នាងធ្វើការនៅមន្ទីរពេទ្យ No human is immortal No human is immortal Immortal ហ្នឹងបានន័យថាមិនចេះស្លាប់ដែលនៅរហូតចឹងណាគ្មាននរណាម្នាក់អមតៈទេ Never play with fire Never play with fire កុំលេងភ្លើង Please turn off the TV Please turn off the TV សូមបិទទូរទស្សន៍ He gave a glib reply He gave a glib reply គាត់ឆ្លើយបំភាន់ Kids love to play Kids love to play ក្មេងចូលចិត្តលេង He is my grandfather He is my grandfather គាត់គឺជាជីតារបស់ខ្ញុំ Puppies are cute Puppies are cute កូនឆ្កែគួរឲ្យស្រឡាញ់ It is been a long time It is been a long time វាជាពេលវេលាដ៏យូរ You are a shopkeeper You are a shopkeeper អ្នកគឺជាអ្នកគ្រប់គ្រងហាងពាក្យ shopkeeper ហ្នឹងយើងអាចប្រើថាអ្នកគ្រប់គ្រងហាងឬក៏ម្ចាស់ហាងក៏គេប្រើពាក្យថា shopkeeper បានដែរ He teach English at high school He teach English at high school គាត់បង្រៀនភាសាអង់គ្លេសនៅវិទ្យាល័យ Those are chocolates Those are chocolates ទាំងនោះគឺជាសូកូឡា We are eating orange We are eating orange ពួកយើងកំញ៉ាំ ជាប់មាត់ពួកយើងកំពុងញ៉ាំផ្លែក្រូច His mother was right His mother was right ម្ដាយគាត់និយាយត្រូវ Your clothes are dirty Your clothes are dirty សម្លៀកបំពាក់របស់អ្នកប្រឡាក់ហើយ My father is a doctor My father is a doctor ឪពុករបស់ខ្ញុំគឺជាវេជ្ជបណ្ឌិត Where is the station Where is the station តើកន្លែងចាក់សាំងនៅឯណា Where is your mother Where is your mother តើម្ដាយអ្នកនៅឯណា Where is your school Where is your school តើសាលារបស់អ្នកនៅឯណា Where is your workplace Where is your workplace តើកន្លែងធ្វើការរបស់អ្នកនៅឯណា Where are they going Where are they going តើពួកគេកំពុងទៅណា I feel nervous I feel nervous ខ្ញុំមានអារម្មណ៍ថាភ័យព្រួយ